you might be in the business of cooling systems for data centers. Your stock's been on fire, and certainly growth, even just looking at your last earnings report, has been very, very strong as well. What is propelling it when we talk about data centers? Is this all AI related?
Well, first of all, thank you for having me here today. Certainly, we're very happy about the trajectory we're on in the business. But if you look at the industry, the data center industry, and we've been playing in this space for competing in this space for decades, and certainly have the largest portfolio, the most complete offering for data center infrastructure. Well, that data center infrastructure is growing, and AI is further accelerating that growth. So we are very well positioned in a very good market that is going to accelerate further.
How quickly can you convert those orders, that backlog, into actual projects and deliver on those data centers? And I ask that knowing that there have been perhaps some supply chain and capacity constraints along the way versus the demand we're seeing.
Well, that's a general situation for the industry. The industry is in a situation which demand exceeds in general supply, so it's a good place to be. We have a strong backlog. We have grown our backlog as we reported in our earnings call almost a couple of months ago. But when we think about the backlog and the speed at which we convert an order, sales really depend on what type of market and what type of the data center market we serve. But in general, we think something between 9 and 12 and 18 months of order to revenue conversion time.
Gio, good to see you. You said on your earnings call back in late April that you had seen the pipeline for AI projects more than double in the previous 2 months. So my question is, when should we, writ large, expect to see a real inflection point for liquid cooling in the data center?
Well, first of all, I'd like to, when we talk about the AI pipeline, we talk the entire infrastructure. So entire infrastructure is power from grid to chip. It is cooling from the server all the way to extraction, heat ejection, heat rejection, and also heat reuse. So it's a much larger portion than just the liquid cooling. But liquid cooling is accelerating, and is accelerating now. We believe that 2024 is the year in which the big acceleration of liquid cooling will happen. But liquid cooling is just the first segment of the thermal chain, as we like to call it. So the heat goes out of the server through liquid cooling, and that needs to be extracted from the building, converted, reused. But there is a lot of also air cooling that still happens inside a data center, and will continue to happen even in a full high-density AI data center.
All right. It's such a fascinating story. Gio Albertazzi, CEO of Vertiv, thanks for joining us.